Hello everyone, I'm Engine 3 TK John Radit from Bravo section. Today I will discuss the crucial regulation in the maritime industry, the Load Line Convention. This international agreement is a fundamental ensuring that ships are not overloaded, remain stable, and operate safely in all sea conditions. Every vessel has a limit how much cargo it can safely carry, and a load line convention help establish that limit. Overloading and improper loading can lead to instability, structural failure, and even catastrophic accident at, at sea. That's why convention is a global standard that all commercial ships must follow. What is load line? A load line, also called the Benson line, is a marking on a ship's hull that shows the maximum depth of which can a ship be loaded in different water and seasonal condition. This marking helps ships maintain proper freeboard. The vertical distance between water line and the deck is the load line is a combination of vertical line with corresponding letters. TF stand for tropical freshwater, the highest loading limit, at as freshwater is less dense than seawater. S for freshwater, used for standard freshwater condition. T for tropical seawater, a slightly lower limit for warm ocean waters. S for S for summer, the standard loading limit for regular seawater. W for winter seawater, a stricter limit. Cold water is denser on sea or on WNA winter North Atlantic, the most restrictive limit due to extreme weather condition. Ships must adjust their loading according to these marks, ensure they are not too heavy for the environment they are sailing in. Why load line is important? The load line is important was established to address the dangerous overloading and improper loading. Let's discuss why it's important. First, it prevents overloading. A ship that sits too low in the water is more likely to take on water flood or even capsize. Though the regulation ensures vessels do not exceed their safe cargo limits. Second, maintains stability. Proper freeboard prevents excessive rolling in rough sea, keeping the ship's balance. Stability is especially crucial during harsh weather conditions or emergency maneuvers. Reduce structural stress. Overrolling increase the stress on ship's hull, leading to the cracks, corrosion, and even structural failure over time. Third, Third, protects crew and cargo. A well-loaded ship is safer for its crew and less likely to lose cargo due to septic or flooding. Fourth, to ensure compliance in global safety, a ship must obtain a Dublin certificate providing they meet international safety standards. Without compliance, vessel risk penalties, detention, or even bans from operating in certain waters. Atlantic is famous for its harsh winter storm with freezing temperature, powerful winds, and massive waves. Ships sailing through this region must reduce their cargo load and maintain extra freeboard to handle the extreme condition. Imagine a ship is carrying a maximum summer load while sailing through the North Atlantic in winter. The heavy waves and high winds cause ships to sit low in the water, making it prone to taking water and sinking. However, by following the winter North Atlantic load line, the ships carry less weight, allowing it to stay higher above the wave and more stable turbulent condition. These small adjustments can be the difference between a safe voyage and maritime disaster. Old ships are not just a risk to themselves, they can also cause the safer environment. Damage if they sink or suffer structural failure, accident involved overload. Ships can lead to oil spill, chemical leaks, and destruction of the environment ecosystem. While during the load line regulation, we minimize this risk and promote environmental responsible shipping. Complying with the load line convention is not optional; it's a legal requirement every ship. Every ship operating internationally must obtain the load line certificate, confirming that it meets all the stability, buoyancy, and structural integrity requirements. Failure to comply can lead to heavy defines detention, detention at port, and suspension operation on the other operation. On the other hand, ships can follow load line regulation benefit from improved fuel efficiency, lower maintenance costs, and smooth operation. Safe loading is not just about compliance, it's about smart, efficient, and responsible shipping. The load line convention is essential for ensuring maritime safety, preventing overloading, maintaining stability, protecting crew and cargo, reducing environmental risks, and ensuring legal compliance by following load line regulation. It makes sure ship operates safely, efficiently, and sustainably. And that's at the end of my discussion. Thank you for watching.